She cook well. She cook well គាត់ចម្អិនអាហារបានល្អ He has much homework. He has much homework គាត់មានកិច្ចការផ្ទះច្រើន I miss the bus. I miss the bus ខ្ញុំខកឡានក្រុង I live in កំពង់ចាម I live in កំពង់ចាមខ្ញុំរស់នៅកំពង់ចាម I have a car. I have a car ខ្ញុំមានឡានមួយគ្រឿង I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea than coffee ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តតែជាងកាហ្វេ I need advice. I need advice ខ្ញុំត្រូវការដំបូន្មាន He is married to her. He is married to her គាត់រៀបការជាមួយនាង Give me scissors. Give me scissors ឲ្យកន្ត្រៃមកខ្ញុំ I'm on the way. I'm on the way ខ្ញុំនៅតាមផ្លូវ I have a good news. I have a good news ខ្ញុំមានដំណឹងល្អមួយ I need some water. I need some water ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹក It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal វាមិនមែនជារឿងធំទេ He sleeps in the afternoon. He sleeps in the afternoon គាត់ដេកនៅពេលរសៀល It is a good beginning. It is a good beginning វាគឺជាការចាប់ផ្ដើមដ៏ល្អមួយ I'm really busy today. I'm really busy today ខ្ញុំពិតជារវល់ណាស់នៅថ្ងៃនេះ Let's go together. Let's go together តោះទៅជាមួយគ្នា I don't understand. I don't understand ខ្ញុំមិនយល់ទេ I am bored. I am bored ខ្ញុំធុញណាស់